Hello. Today we're going to fix the Ford Focus lock on the driver's side, because at the moment you can't open the driver's side using the key. Look at this. Straight. We can open the other doors, but you can't open the driver's door. And from the inside, you can't lock the door using the master lock, the driver's side. So we need to use the key to open it. So I already unscrewed the cover here. I'll just make another video for how to remove that. Okay, so we're going to unscrew this is the last one. Right. This, we need to remove this. I'm using this flat screwdriver. This, going to remove that. And remove this one. I'm not sure what they call this. I think it's Torx to unscrew this. Okay, so I remove the screw and we just slide this to go to the right. So the last one to remove is this. And watch out, because this whole thing will fall. So you need to, I have this one because I don't have any equipment to use. It will fall together with the window. So the next thing is we're going to remove this glass and bolt that and this using this tool. So I'll stop the video and unbolt them. So I loosen this bolt and the other one so we can remove the glass window. Here. And there you go. So this is how you remove the glass window. So look at that. This is the cable that is pushing the lock. So we need to remove this. No, actually don't remove it because there are some wires that is attached here. Don't need to mess with that. So this is the electric wire that is powering the actuator. That's the actuator lock. We need to remove that. I bought this one from eBay. This is used car door lock cable, and this is the one that is broken. Look at that. We compare these two. Look at this. We compare these two. Can you see that? Sorry about that. My camera battery was out, so I need to use my phone right now. So I'll just put this on the side of the car. But I didn't remove this because it takes a lot of work. So we can see the actuator clearly now. So we need to remove this. First thing is to unbolt this one. This three bolts. This one, and remove this one. So I'll just pause the video. Okay, so I already removed the bolts here, and one thing is we need to remove this. I think we need a flat screw for this. Here, you need to organize your bolts so it will be easy for you to reinstall them again. So there, if you can see that, you need to remove that also using a Torx. Not sure what they call this, but I think Torx. So let me pause the video. Actually, we don't need to remove that. We just need to remove that. I loosen that guy so we can pull this. See? So now you just need to slide it all the way here, and we can remove it. Oh, something in here. Need to remove that also using this guy again. Oh. Wait, let me pause the video again. Sorry for pausing the video, guys, because it's hard for me to work in one hand. So let's here you go. By the way, guys, you can buy this if you need a new one, but in our case we just need this one, so we just put it in here. So you need to put this in here. Here, and connecting that cable to this. So okay, let me pause the video again. So there you go, this guy is already attached in the actuator, so we need to put this back inside there and reinstall the covers.